Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on it or by pressing the upper button. And we can uninstall the applications in two ways. Actually, in three ways. The first way is to do it by opening the menu, so you can swipe up on the home screen, then find the icon of the app you want to uninstall. Once you find it, you can press and hold on that icon. It should be actually working like this, but for some reason it's not. Oh no, it is working. Something is a bit wonky, but basically the uninstall option will appear and you can tap on it and then tap on OK and the app will be removed. Another way to uninstall the applications is to do it through the settings. So if you go to the settings on your watch, then find the option called, I believe it's going to be called apps or applications. It's going to be apps. Tap on it and here tap on app list. Then you can scroll through the list, find the application you want to uninstall. And once you find the application you want to uninstall, tap on it, find the uninstall button, tap on it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm and uninstall the application. I don't want to really remove this one, so I'm gonna leave it, but once you tap on the check mark, the app will be uninstalled. And the last way to uninstall the applications is to do it through the Play Store. So if you open the Play Store on your watch, so find the icon in the menu and tap on it. And on the main page of Play Store, you scroll down, tap on Manage Apps, and here you will see the list of applications installed on your watch. And you can tap on application you want to uninstall, then tap on uninstall button, and it will be uninstalled from your watch. And that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.